When was the last time you laughed at yourself? Yes, I sincerely mean it. Laughed at yourself. It doesn't seem too often, and maybe that's why you've developed an emotional tumor. Dr. Albert Ellis had a very famous quote, and he said, if you don't develop a sense of humor, you will develop an emotional tumor. I add a few more sentences to his quote. Laugh and develop a sense of humor for yourself first. That means don't take yourself too seriously. Laugh at your mistakes. Laugh at your foolish judgments. Laugh at the fact that you are an erroneous, fallible human being. Why? Well, today I want to talk about how to not take ourselves too seriously. I do believe that we are all on the edge. We are prickly, we are vigilant, we are overreacting, we are exaggerating things that happen to us and to the people that we are interacting with. It's time we wound down a bit and began to not take things too seriously, not personalize them, and give ourselves, and more importantly, the people that we live with, a little bit of a break. Why do I believe laughing at ourselves will help? Well, as Ellis said, you will not develop an emotional tumor, but one can only do that if one is accepting of one's humanness, which means that one is a mistake-making, fallible, error-prone person, and that we are all born with a hole in our head. We can only laugh at ourselves when we accept that. That means we make mistakes, we have poor judgments, we assess wrongly, and we don't constantly believe that we have to be these perfect people. 2. If we understand that humans are also evolving, we will stop being so serious about our beliefs. Of course, we evolve and we regress, and we have to see that as par for the course, because that means we've thought through some of our idiotic beliefs, we've laughed at some of the foolish things that we subscribe to, but more importantly, we have the courage to change. So, we will be less serious if we assess, review, and realize that some of the beliefs that we defended unto death need to be thrown into the garbage can. Of course, a very important facet of laughing at ourselves is not about putting ourselves down or being self-demeaning. On the contrary, it's about accepting our vulnerabilities, having insight about our limitations. So, when you laugh at yourself, you showcase that you are faulty and not faultless. Strangely and ironically, that helps in your interpersonal relationships. So today, vow to yourself that you will develop a sense of humor towards yourself. You will be more self-accepting, more fallible and agreeable that we are all mistake-making creatures. You will realize that you evolve and regress and that your belief systems keep undergoing a change, and you will call out the nonsense that you used to believe and now no more do. That will reduce your seriousness. But more importantly, showcasing your vulnerability and your limitations is a very important facet in self-acceptance, and it will lead you towards you having a good hearty laugh at the things that now need to be altered and changed so that you bring yourself a better and a healthier life. If you like what you hear, hit the like button, do share my video, and of course, continue to write to me at varkha@varkhacholani.com. Till next week, it's goodbye and thank you.